Let's cook and taste Japan with SavvySensei right out of your own home.
Today, I will show you how to make curry. My name is Norimasa Harada. First, I will explain the kitchen utensils used to cook rice. A pot to cook the rice. A bowl for rinsing the rice. Next, these are the ingredients. 450 grams of rice and 600 cc's of water. Now, let's rinse the rice. You rinse rice first to get rid of the surface impurity. Rinse lightly with water 2 or 3 times. Then stir it. Don't use strong force to stir the rice. It will break the grains and delicious starch will be washed away. Do it as gentle as you can. Curl your fingers as if you hold a bowl. Like this. Stir about 20 to 30 times. After stirring, then rinse. When you rinse, change the water 2 or 3 times. And it's ready. The rinsed rice can be soaked in water for about 30 minutes in summer. In winter, soak it for 40 to 50 minutes. The rice will soak up the water and become nice and soft. After soaking rice, drain the water and put it in the pan. Next, pour 600 cc's of water. Turn the heat to medium and cover it with a lid. When it comes to a boil, turn down to simmer and leave it for 15 minutes. It's boiling. Turn down the heat and wait for about 15 minutes. Simmer for 15 minutes. Then, turn off the heat and let it steam for 10 minutes. Let's remove the lid. Looks good. If you like it firm, while it's still steaming, open the lid a little or start stirring the rice sooner so the steam will escape, and you will have firmer rice. Now, let me explain how to make curry at home. First, the kitchen utensils. This is a frying pan for stir-frying onions. Here is a pan to cook curry and a wooden spatula. a cutting board and a knife to cut onions and chicken, a bowl and a ladle to scoop out scum. We will use this curry bowl and a spoon. These are the ingredients: 400 grams of onions, 100 grams of curry roux, 20 grams of chutney. Chutney is cooked fruits. We use papaya, apples, raisins, etc. If you don't have them, add some water to dried fruits to soften them and mince them up. Next, 20 grams of no-salt butter, 20 grams of brown sugar, 20 grams of lard, 10 grams of beef fat, 320 grams of chicken thighs. Lastly, 750 cc's of water. Okay, let's cut the chicken. Peel off the skin. Cut it into nice bite sizes. Then, cut the onions. Cut them thin, perpendicular to the fibre. Cut them smaller so they will cook faster. Cut them as small as you can. Let's fry the onions. Put the lard in the pan. Add the beef fat. Add onions. At first, leave them untouched so the temperature won't go down. Add a little salt at this point. The water will seep out, and the onions will cook faster. Keep the onions on high heat for 30 to 40 minutes. It's kind of boring, but when it's cooked well, the curry's sweetness will be completely different. Hang in there. If they get a little burnt, it's okay. Keep frying on high heat for a while. After 30 to 40 minutes, the color changes like this. Keep frying until you see this color. When you reach there, it's easy to burn. Don't stop. Keep stirring. Next, fry the meat. our restaurant, the basic menu is chicken curry. So, I'm using chicken here, but you can swap it with pork or beef to have pork curry or beef curry. Fry until the surface turns brown. When you fry it well, the good taste of the meat is kept inside. Put the cooked chicken in a pan. Here, you add the fried onions. Make sure they are all mixed well. Add 750 cc's of water. Then, cook for a while. While simmering, scum will foam. Remove it clean. You can add this curry roux as it is. But if you cut it as small as possible, it will dissolve faster without lumping up. I will cut this up. When you add this, turn down the heat. Make sure the roux is all melted. The roux I added will make it taste all by itself. You can eat it as it is, and it's good enough. But in our restaurant, the sweet and spicy taste is the key. This time, I'll add something that highlights the sweetness. When the roux is all dissolved, mix in these ingredients. $20 grams of brown sugar, then chutney and butter. Then, add a kick with black pepper to your taste. As a spice, I used black pepper here, but you can use other hot spices or garlic, ginger, chocolate, ketchup, coffee, etc. Anything in the kitchen will work, Try different things to make your own favorite curry. This is a versatile dish. Enjoy arranging your own. Now, let's pour on the plate. Put rice in a bowl. This curry has only chicken in it today, but you can add vegetables too. Or you can put fried chicken or something deep fried as a topping. There are a variety of ways to enjoy it. In Japan, some people like hot dogs or cheese in their curry. It's finished.